Welcome back. Now it's day 2 of the water rationing, which has been implemented in various parts of Durban. Most of the areas are those that were affected by the recent floods. Residents will have water in the mornings and evenings, but will have cuts of up to 4 hours a day. How are residents coping? Well, let's get more information now from Deputy City Manager Sibusiso Makhanya. Mr. Makhanya, thank you very much once again for your time here on All Angles. Let's just go back to how exactly you communicated with residents in those areas, because some of them were telling eNCA yesterday that they had no idea they'd not have water.
Good day to yourself and your listeners. In terms of communication, we started communicating as from Friday through our mayor, and as well our communication has done a lot of work in terms of engaging different media houses, and as well writing to different government departments, the business sector, and we've done some extensive communication through the social media and loud hailing, and as well using our employees and our councillors in terms of distributing the information. We'll continue to intensify this program of actually ensuring that our communities on the ground get the information.
Of course, there were damaged pipes in terms of, what happened back in April with those deadly floods. How long does government anticipate that the repairing of these floods will take, or these pipes rather would take?
It is important to note that the smaller pipes have been repaired. It's only the bigger pipes that are supplying us with the raw water. It is anticipated that these will take between 10 and 12 months to fix on the side of gaining water. But everything is being done to try and shorten that time, because we also understand that this is such an inconvenience to our communities out there, and as well it has a dire financial implication to the municipality.
And I know that the High Court actually gave a consent order, or they accepted a consent order in terms of the repair, especially at Umgeni Water, which has been a problem for quite a while, even a little bit before the floods happened. So what does this mean in terms of how, a positive move?
We are grateful for the negotiations that happened at the Umgeni Water, because if the bigger reservoir at Reservoir Hill or at Durban Height was operational, the problem would have been minimized. So we are grateful that the contractor is already on site to try and speed up that process. The combination of the two, now we're looking at two options: the option of the storage and as well repairing of the pipe. The combination of the two will go a long way in terms of trying to shorten the period. So one must actually give credit to Umgeni for the intense engagement with the service providers concerned.
All right. So in terms of how this will work, then you said it's going to take up to 10 to 12 months. That's only next year. So with the water rationing, exactly what should residents expect? I know that, I did say in my introduction that they'll have water in the mornings and in the evenings, and it'll only happen during the day. But exactly what is each household facing here? All right. That connection to Sibusiso Makhanya has been quite problematic for the entire morning, but at least we were able to get something out of him. That was Sibusiso Makhanya, the Deputy City Manager for Trading Services, in terms of what residents in some parts of Durban can expect with that water rationing that started this week.